Imagine walking into an office and seeing the walls plastered with giant images of a foreign leader. This is exactly what Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu experienced when he visited the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. The walls were adorned with portraits of Russian President Vladimir Putin, a clear indication of the growing alliance between the two nations. This surprising event coincided with the 70th anniversary of the end of the Korean War, a momentous occasion that saw the two leaders discussing defense and security matters. Shoigu's visit, however, raised eyebrows in Russia, with some viewing it as a humiliation to engage with North Korea. It's a complex dance of politics, where every move is scrutinized and analyzed for its potential implications on the global stage. Fast forward a few months, and we find ourselves amidst rumors of a potential weapons deal between Russia and North Korea. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken has been quoted stating that Putin must be desperate if he is planning to meet with Kim Jong-un to discuss such a deal. The idea of Kim traveling to Russia to exchange weapons for food supplies has sparked concern among international observers. This proposed union between the two leaders has been described as a meeting of desperate pariah states. Russia's conflict with Ukraine, which began in February 2022, has resulted in a significant counteroffensive by Ukrainian troops. The implications of this potential weapons deal could change the tide of this ongoing war. Looking ahead, it's clear that the actions of these two leaders could have far-reaching consequences. Kim Jong-un's expressed solidarity with Russia's war on Ukraine and his desire for closer relations with Putin could drastically alter the international security environment. Furthermore, North Korea's ongoing food crisis, due to drought and tightened food imports from China, adds another layer of complexity to this situation. Russia's promise to deepen ties with Pyongyang and the potential for a weapons deal could provide North Korea with much-needed relief, while also bolstering Russia's position in their conflict with Ukraine. However, we must also consider the potential risks. If North Korea were to gain access to sensitive weapons technology, it could lead to significant advancements in their nuclear weapons program. While some officials dismiss this concern, believing it not to be in Russia's interest, the possibility remains. Ultimately, the outcome of this political show will depend on the decisions made by these two leaders. Will North Korea's weapons be enough to shift the front line in Ukraine? Will this alliance serve as a warning to the West and the United States? Only time will tell. For now, we watch as the Eastern Economic Forum unfolds, a Russia-sponsored event taking place in Vladivostok. According to the Kremlin, the meeting with Kim Jong-un will take place at the conclusion of this event. This meeting could mark a turning point in the relationship between Russia and North Korea, and its impact could be felt worldwide.